Affiliate Rex is designed to remove the barriers to online success, providing done-for-you affiliate funnels to get you up and running without all the usual headaches of setting up your squeeze page, autoresponder, follow-up emails, bonus pages, cloaked links, conversion tracking links, etc, etc, etc. Basically, you no longer need your own products, your own website, any previous affiliate sales history, or even any technical skills and know-how. Affiliate Rex does all the heavy lifting. Now let me give you a quick run through of exactly how it does this for you. And here we are in the main Affiliate Rex dashboard. The first hurdle you normally face as a new affiliate is getting approved to promote a product. So in the middle here we have a selection of guaranteed approval products, so you know you can get working with them straight away, no hassles having to prove yourself first. And all of these have high commission rates of 80% instead of just 50% that you get from most offers. Simply choose the one that you're interested in from the drop-down list and click on the Product Details button, which then pops up the information for that product over here on the right-hand side, including the JV page URL and the affiliate link request URL. There's also discount coupons to increase your conversions and bonus page URLs for free gifts you can use to encourage people to buy through your link. These are exactly the kind of extras that super affiliates have staff to create for them to get the best conversions when they promote an offer. You can of course click on any of these bonus page links to check them out for yourself. Affiliate Rex also includes full training on how to deliver these bonuses automatically to your buyers through JVZoo. The next step that Affiliate Rex takes care of for you is one of the most important parts of affiliate marketing: building your list. Yes, you can make money as an affiliate without a list, but once you have an email subscriber list, you have traffic and profits on demand, so you should always be collecting opt-ins. With Affiliate Rex, you don't need to know how to get the list set up. It's integrated as part of the system for you. Currently, you can use GetResponse, which has a 30-day free trial, or Sendinblue, which allows you a free account for sending up to 9,000 emails per month. There are setup options for both in the settings and maintenance page, and on this particular demo account, I've got Sendinblue set up. Okay, so to create a new list in your autoresponder, all you do is simply choose the product you want to create an email campaign for from the drop-down list, and then click on the big blue Create Campaign button. This creates the email campaign in your autoresponder for you, including the follow-up welcome email that delivers the free gift download instructions for your new subscribers. What free gift, you ask? Well, all the offer pages for products in Affiliate Rex include an exit pop-up so that if a visitor doesn't buy right then, you can offer them a free gift for their email address to get them on your list. The next step is to create your cloaked tracking link for the offer. Again, you simply choose an offer from the drop-down list of campaigns and give the new link a name that helps you identify what it is. For example, I'll use the format nga-blogpost-December 7th to help me track clicks from a blog post for this offer and the date of that post. You then have the option to create a direct to sales page affiliate link or a lead magnet link that takes the visitors to a free offer opt-in page first, then directs them to the sales page once you've got their email address, again helping you to build your list automatically. And yes, you can create both types of links for any offer, just use different names for the link for tracking purposes. For this one, I'll go with the affiliate link and just click on the button. And once the page is refreshed, up at the top here you'll find your brand new cloaked tracking affiliate link for that offer. So I can copy that, go across to a separate browser, pop it in and hit refresh. It'll take a second or two while it brings up that offer or sales page, and up it comes. I'll just switch off the video so it's not too noisy. And at the top in the URL, you will notice it has the affiliate link. So it has redirected to your affiliate link for that particular offer. And as a visitor to this offer, if I hit back in the browser, up comes the exit pop to grab that visitor's email address and again build your list automatically. Affiliate Rex also includes extensive training on how to get traffic to your links and into your new funnels. Click on the Start Here guides and choose the traffic section for the different training options. The last important step I'll cover in this overview demo is tracking your conversions so you know what's working and what isn't. This is a crucial step that most people have no idea how to do, so they just don't bother. With Affiliate Rex, it's done for you. Simply go to the Affiliate Center and choose Affiliate Traffic Statistics. You'll end up on this page, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of ways that you can break down the traffic data to see what works best for your promotions, including options for traffic by the product or free offer, as well as by campaign, sales link, or lead magnet link. This helps you quickly see what gets the best conversions for each traffic source. For example, you may find that sending visitors from a blog post directly to the sales page converts better than sending them to the free offer. Knowing what works best helps you get the most from every bit of traffic, putting more cash in your pocket. Simply choose the data set from any of the drop-down lists depending on what you want to view and click on the corresponding button. This then gives you the data on the hits and uniques as well as the sales data with options on how you view the information. Having this depth of conversion and traffic analysis at your disposal lets you quickly push more traffic to the winners and cut the losers to maximize your profits. The reporting is covered in more detail in a second demo video further down the page, and yes, we include training on all of the reporting options. In fact, the training included covers not only the Affiliate Rex software itself, but all aspects of being a successful affiliate marketer, and we're constantly updating both the software and the training for our members. In summary, Affiliate Rex is your done-for-you affiliate marketing funnel system. You now have the same kind of tools that all the top affiliates use, turning affiliate marketing into a simple step-by-step process for success. First, choose your product and get guaranteed approval. Then one click to create the autoresponder list and follow-up email. Another click creates the cloak tracking link with exit pop opt-in and free offer squeeze page. Grab your free bonus offer and pop it into JV Zoo for automated delivery, then promote your links and send traffic. Lastly, don't forget to check those conversion stats and tweak your offers for even higher profits. And remember, this done-for-you system is so simple, even a rank newbie can run this and make it work like gangbusters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.